Here's the unpopular truth dealerships don't want to admit. When your lease ends, the dealership usually wants you to get another car. But the math often says that's not the best choice. What you need to do is keep the car you already have. But if you're thinking about buying out your lease, there's one thing you need to understand first. A lease buyout loan is just an auto loan that lets you purchase the car you're already leasing. Instead of turning the car in when the lease ends, you take out a loan for the buyout price and the car becomes yours. That's it. But this is the interesting part. The cost of your lease buyout isn't random. It's already written into your lease contract. It's called the residual value, and it's basically what the manufacturer thought your car would be worth at the end of your lease. To buy your lease car at the dealership, you just have to pay that residual value, any taxes, and any dealership fees. But here's how you get around paying for those fees. When people talk about financing a car, they assume they have to go back to the dealership, but you don't. Lease buyout loans can come from banks, credit unions, and other lenders, just like a normal car loan. The difference is that the loan is being used to pay off your leasing company instead of buying a car off the lot. The rates on these loans tend to look pretty similar to used car loan rates, and like any loan, your credit score and the lender you choose will play a big role in what your monthly payment looks like. If you buy out your loan outside of the dealership, you can skip their fees and buy out your lease for even cheaper. The only problem is buying out a lease on your own requires a lot of time and annoying paperwork, unless you know this trick. To buy out your lease on your own, you'd have to call your leasing company and get the official payoff amount. Then you have to find lenders that actually offer lease buyout loans. Then you have to coordinate the loan, the payoff, the title transfer, the DMV paperwork. It's doable, but it's insanely annoying. If you use LeaseEnd, you can buy out your lease, get competitive loan rates from multiple banks, and have them do all the DMV stuff at no extra cost to you. No fees like the dealership, no lengthy process. By doing it yourself, you could buy out your lease and have a loan in 12 minutes with LeaseEnd. No car shopping, no starting over with a brand new payment cycle, just ownership of the car you already know. If you want to see how the lease buyout process works or compare lenders that offer lease buyout loans, you can check out leaseend.com and run the numbers for yourself.
LeaseEnd. End your lease, keep your car.